Today I'll be showing you this awesome, well, what I would think is awesome BETAFPV radio transmitter. So yeah, let's get in. Alright, so this is the revealing of the radio transmitter. Oh, I'm keeping it all to myself. You can't see it. So that's the transmitter. So looks pretty transmittery. Of course, I've got circuit, I think mode 2, I think I've got here. So I think it's mode 2. So I'm going to read through here. But first I'm going to show you it comes with this, it comes with that, of course. It also has bind button here and then setup button there. And I'll read through this and it'll take forever. So yeah. Alright. So let's get this baby charging. Well, it's not really baby because, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, it is Express LRS. So I've got the receiver coming from it for this. So soon I'll be able to buy a bigger drone. So I'll show you, I'll put that video in the links in the description below. If not, it will be up here. And so yeah, the video about what drone you should buy and the only drone you should need. So it's got a nice ling-a-ding-ding thingy-mabob in the middle. So yeah, these ones are 3 position switches. So the one's close to you, and then the back one's just 2 position switches. So yeah, it's actually got an audio port here, so could shout things at you. Stop going so fast, Daniel. So there's the instructions. So I'll read this for several years and I will be back. Alright, so it took me 7 years to read that. One of the annoying things about this that I realised was it takes, well, what it says in there, it takes 8 hours to charge. Like, that's 8 hours. And also another thing I read in there, which is pretty actually good, it does support disconnecting and computer doing what's called drone simulator. So it just goes to drone simulator, blah, blah. So anything else in here? No, I'm pretty sure that's everything. You have a look. Wait, I think there might be one more thing. Put that out. There, that's the last one. I think it's completely empty now. Yeah, definitely completely empty. So that is everything. So yeah, that's everything. And I think that's everything. The only thing to say now is subscribe and remember this video up here or here.
Subscribe.